Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amaka. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm showing you guys my DIY massive hair growth hair butter. Okay, all right, so these are all the products I'll be using in this video. I have cloves, I have shea butter, I have Chebe Fenugreek seed as well. So I'm going to mix out all the ingredients, and there's no particular measurement to how I measure these ingredients, guys. I just eyeballed it. Okay, so you can use as much or as less depending on the density of your hair. So I'm just going to measure out all the ingredients and then blend it together. So you can decide not to blend it. Okay, I chose to blend it so I can be able to get all the benefits out very well properly. Yes guys, please don't forget to check the description box so you can see all the benefits to each and every one of the products I'm using in this video. I'm going to list it down in the description box, so please check the description box. Okay, so this is what the powder will look like after you've blended it. I'm going to be infusing it with olive oil. You can use any lightweight oil of your choice, and then I'm going to be doing the double boiling method. Okay, I place it over hot water and then I stirred it for a while. Okay, just so that the oil can really seep in and then infuse properly. So I'm going to leave it in a dark place for the next 48 hours. Okay, so after 48 hours, this is what it looks like. You can tell that the color has changed, and this is what my oil looks like now. Okay, it is ready for use, but first I'm going to sieve it out. You can use a cheesecloth to also sieve it out. All right, so the remaining residue, you can also go back in and infuse it for some more time. You can also reuse it if you choose to. And yeah, some of the particles went into my oil, but that's fine. I don't really mind it. All right, so this is what the mixture is going to look like once you are done. So going on now, moving on to the base, I'm using shea butter. Okay, so I'm using the yellowish kind. Again, I'm going to do the double boiling method here to dissolve and melt my shea butter. So after melting it, I'm just going to again eyeball this mixture, guys, and mix all my oils together, just as much as or as less as you want it. All right, I also added a few drops of essential oil. I'm using the tea tree essential oil. So this is how your final mixture should look like. I have all the mix together, and then I'm going to freeze it for the next 30 minutes. Alright, this is after 30 minutes, guys. This is the consistency you want your butter to look like. It is not so thick, it's not so soft. So if you don't have a hand mixer, that's fine. You can use your hand to whip it. Alright, so I'm going to be whipping this butter for the next 20 minutes, guys. Alright, it's going to change color. You can do this, take breaks, but just whip it until it becomes fluffy. Okay. Alright, so it's going to change color from this yellowish butter to a white, thick, fluffy, yummy butter. Alright, this is what it should look like, guys. It melts very easily. It's not really for the skin, but you can see that it melts easily into it will melt easily into your hair. So I'm just going to scoop it out and save it in my container. I store this in the refrigerator, and I use this batch for at least 4 to 6 weeks. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this hair growth butter on my hair as a sealant, okay, and as a moisturizing agent as well. This is what my hair looks like. It is very dry. It needs to be moisturized, okay. So I'm going to go in now. The first thing is to at least use water on your hair, guys, and then loosen it up a bit, and then going with my favorite leave-in conditioner. You can use any kind that you have. All right, after that I'm going to also go in with the hair butter and then seal in all the moisture in. This is a moisturized half and this is a dry half. So that's a comparison. I love this butter, guys. Love. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit of this and then seal in the moisture on my hair. Alright, so this butter is very good if you want to regrow your edges, if you want to thicken up your hair, if you want to increase the volume on your hair, if you want to lengthen your hair. Okay, it is a massive hair growth butter, guys. It does the job. There's Chebe, there's Cloves, there's Fenugreek. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, I hope you try it out. Alright guys, so as you can see, my hair is still very moisturized. I put my hair in a sleek low bun. Okay, it's very low manipulative style. I'm going to wear it for the next 2 to 3 days and my hair is going to retain moisture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Okay, all the products I use in this video will be linked in the description box, and the link to all my other videos that you might watch will be linked as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. All right, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.